Hello from OGS Mechanics. We have here today a BMW series G shape, and the customer has dropped it in to restore security on it, as he lost one of the keys, and he needs to have it deleted from the car memory to make sure that if someone finds it, he won't be able to use the vehicle. This procedure can only be done with the dealer tool. We are connected now to the vehicle, and we're going to perform exactly this procedure. So we're going to confirm now that we want to block the key number 2, which is not currently with the customer. Okay, so the current key is inside the vehicle, so that won't be locked. So the key number 2, the key that customer lost, is now blocked, and if anyone finds it, won't be able to unlock the car or start the engine. In addition to that, what we have done for the customer, we have recoded the door lock, the door barrel, so not even the emergency blade from the old key will operate. This way the security on the car has been restored. Again, a glimpse on our activity here in OGS Mechanics and part of the car key solutions department. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, OGS Mechanics is one stop for all vehicle needs.